In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TastyFX to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their website, you want to go to the platform section, and where it says MT5 up here, you want to click on download MT5. When you do this here, you're going to be able to see this button here where you can basically get MT5 for desktop for your computer. So just get that onto your computer and install it. It's very simple. And then you want to open up MT5. So I have the general version over here. So if you have the MT5 from MT5 official website, that's going to work as well. But if you have theirs, it's a bit easier to set up because you don't have to search for anything. You can just click on TastyFX and connect with your account. But if you don't have that, and if you have MT5 like me, you can just go to File, top left, click on Open an Account, and then here you want to go ahead and look for Tasty. And then when you do that, click on Find Your Company. It's going to find TastyFX LLC here and say TastyFX on the right. Now, if you actually downloaded it from their website, you of course will be able to see that automatically in here. So we can just click on Next. And then here you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account. And whenever you create your MT5 account with TastyFX, you will get your login credentials for MT5 onto your email. So go ahead and get your login there. Usually this is going to be a long number, and then the password, which is also going to be included. So make sure you type this in here. It's going to be the one that's in your email too, and you'll also receive a server, either demo or live, depending on which account you opened. When you do that, click on Finish over here. It's going to connect to MT5, and that's all you have to do to start trading and using MT5 together with TastyFX. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.